All right, everybody. Welcome to another deep dive.
Yeah.
And today we're gonna look at something called cellular healing for kidneys.
Okay.
And this all came from one of our listeners.
Oh, cool.
Kim wrote in and told us about her dad.
All right.
And so we thought this would be a really good opportunity
Yeah.
to kind of dig into
Sure.
this whole idea of cellular healing.
I fascinated.
So Kim's dad, in May of this year,
Okay.
was diagnosed with stage 3 kidney disease.
Stage 3.
Yeah.
Wow.
And his EGFR was at 44.
Okay, so for those of us that aren't nephrologists,
Yeah.
what does that mean?
Yeah, what does that even mean?
And why should we care about that number?
Right.
So EGFR stands for estimated glomerular filtration rate,
Okay.
and that's a measure of how well your kidneys are filtering waste from your blood.
Okay.
You can think of it like the oil filter in your car.
Okay.
When the oil filter gets clogged up, the engine can't run properly. So an EGFR of 44 means that his kidneys were only working at about half their capacity.
Oh, wow.
So that's
serious.
pretty serious, yeah. It can have really serious consequences for his overall health.
All right, so enter cellular healing for kidneys.
Okay.
So this is the therapy that Kim's dad started.
Okay.
And what's really interesting about this is that they claim that this therapy can stimulate the growth of new nephrons.
Okay.
Now, these are the tiny little filtering units in your kidneys
Yeah, the little workhorses of the
The-
kidneys.
using the patient's own stem cells.
Oh, wow.
How is that even possible?
Yeah, how is that possible?
Well, stem cells are amazing.
Yeah.
They have this incredible potential to develop into pretty much any kind of cell in the body,
Oh, wow.
including nephrons.
Really?
So, we hear about stem cell therapy a lot,
Right.
but this particular therapy that Kim described doesn't involve any, drugs
Oh, okay.
or surgery.
Interesting.
It's more about creating the right environment inside the body
Okay.
for the body to kind of heal itself.
Yeah.
So we're talking things like deep breathing exercises,
Oh, okay.
relaxation techniques,
Huh.
visualization.
Okay, wait a minute.
Yeah.
How does something like deep breathing or relaxation,
Right.
how is that going to stimulate the creation of new nephrons?
Yeah, that's the question, isn't it?
Yeah.
There's a lot of research going on right now
Okay.
about the connection between stress and stem cell activity.
Okay.
So, for example, one study found that mindfulness meditation can actually increase telomerase activity.
Now, what is telomerase?
Telomerase is an enzyme that helps protect our chromosomes from damage.
Okay.
So this suggests that, things like relaxation techniques could actually have an effect at the cellular level.
So if you're calmer and more relaxed,
Mm-hmm.
it could create a more favorable environment for the stem cells to do their thing.
That's the idea.
Yep.
It's like creating a nice fertile garden
Uh-huh.
for your cells to grow in.
Interesting.
We still need more research to figure out exactly how this all works.
Right.
But the early results look pretty good.
Well, and in fact, Kim said that her dad's EGFR went up 14 points
Wow.
after just a few months of this therapy.
That's amazing.
So he's actually moving closer to stage 2 now.
That's a big improvement.
Yeah.
That's huge.
It's important to remember, though,
Yeah.
this is just one person's story.
Right.
We need larger studies.
Of course.
To know for sure.
But if this really works,
Yeah.
I mean, think about what this could mean for other chronic diseases.
It's pretty mind-blowing.
I mean, could we actually use our own bodies to heal ourselves
Exactly.
in ways that we never even thought possible before?
Yeah, we're really just starting to understand
Yeah.
what cellular healing can do.
Like we always thought stem cell therapy was going to be,
Yeah.
injections and
Right, some big complicated procedure.
Right.
But what if it's as simple as,
Yeah.
learning to relax
Yeah.
and breathe?
Really.
It's amazing.
So let's recap here. We talked about EGFR and why it's important for kidney function.
Right.
We talked about the amazing potential of stem cells.
Yes.
And we looked at this cellular healing for kidneys therapy
Yeah.
that uses relaxation techniques
Uh-huh.
to maybe kickstart our body's own healing abilities.
And you know what I think the big takeaway here is?
What?
The future of medicine might be a lot closer than we think.
Yeah.
And we still have so much to learn
Yeah.
about the incredible power of the human body.
This has been a really fascinating deep dive.
It has.
And it really leaves me wondering,
Yeah.
what do you think out there, listener?
Yeah.
Could this be the future of healthcare?
I'd like to think so.
All right. Thanks for joining us.
Yeah, thanks everyone.
And we'll see you on the next deep dive.
See ya.
Bye.
Bye.